Cartoning machine from Grand Packing Machinery is suitable for automatic cartoning of different products in pharmaceutical, food, cosmetic, hardware, household industries etc., such as medicine blister, vial, ampule, bottle, tube, sachet, condom, products with tray. Working process: box feeding and opening, product feeding and pushing into carton, closing or glue sealing, batch number embossing or inkjet printing, discharging. It can be connected with other packing machines or wrapping machines to be a full automatic production line.